Assuming that a firm can sell as many units of its products as it can manufacture in a month at $54 each, it has to pay out $720 fixed cost plus a marginal cost of $42 for each unit produced. How much does it need to produce to break even? Before we can solve this question, let us list out the parameters given in the question. We have the selling price of each product as $54. The fixed cost that the firm incurred as a result of the production of that product is $720. The marginal cost that the firm incurred on each product is $42. Now, to calculate the amount of units of the product that the firm has to produce in order to break even, we have to understand the meaning of break-even point. Break-even point is the point at which the total revenue is equal to the total cost. That is, the total cost of producing a product is equal to the revenue that the firm gained as a result of selling the product. So therefore, break-even point, at break-even, total cost is equal to the total revenue. So having known the meaning of break-even point, we have to determine the total cost and the total revenue from the given parameters. But before that, I want to represent the amount of units of products that the firm has to produce as X. That is total units of products. Total products, let me put it like that. I represent it as X. So now, don't forget that revenues is the satisfaction, the money that the firm gains from selling out the product, and the revenue is calculated by multiplying the unit of products produced multiplied by the selling price. And don't forget that the selling price of each product is $54. So the total revenue will be the total product, which is X, multiplied by 54. So the total revenue is equal to 54X. Now, I have calculated the total revenue. I still need to determine the total cost. Don't forget that the cost that they gave us is the fixed cost and the marginal cost that the firm incurred on each product. So the total cost now is equal to the fixed cost plus the marginal cost that the firm incurs per unit per product. So the total cost is equal to, the fixed cost is 720. So I'm going to have 720 plus the marginal cost. The marginal cost is $42 per product. So I'm going to have 42 multiplied by X. That is 42X, because don't forget that I have said that I represent the amount of product that the firm has to produce to break even. I represent it as X. So therefore, I have calculated the total revenue, which is 54X, and the total cost, that is 720 plus 42X. Now, I can easily calculate the amount of products that the firm has to produce to break even by equating the total revenue with the total cost. In that case, I'm going to have a break-even point. Break-even point, total revenue is equal to the total cost. So I'm going to have 54X is equal to, total cost is 720 plus 42X. So collect like terms, 54X, 42X move to the left hand side. I'm going to have 54X minus 42X. This is 54. 42X is equal to 720. 54X minus 42X, that is 12X. 12X is equal to 720. So X is equal to 720 divided by 12. So the value of X is equal to, you have punch your calculator, you are going to get 60. The value of X is 60. So let me put units. Now we have already calculated the total units of product that the firm has to produce to break even. The total units of products that the firm has to produce to break even is 60 units. Don't forget that at break even point, the firm is neither making profit or making loss.